Hello everyone. Yesterday I posted a video and a few people are trying to contact me because they're trying to understand what I was trying to say in the video because it's posted in Creole. But I'm taking the opportunity to ask you for help, to ask you all for help because Haitians are tired from being manipulated for all these countries that act like they're standing by Haitians, they're Haitians friends, and they're not. It's enough. The people cannot eat. The country is dirty, no education, no infrastructures, no one there because they have been manipulated by other countries that are part of like whatever Haitians trying to do. They pay other people to undo it. And this is not fair because no, you would never allow anybody else come to their country, come to another country to come put their nose in your country to undo whatever that you have to do, like whatever Haitians trying to move forward, either France or United States have to put their nose on it, and then everything's dropped. It is enough. What have Haitians done to you? What did they do to you to deserve that? The only thing they did, it's standing by you. Now it's the time to let Haitians breathe in their own country like you are breathing in your own country. Don't get involved in the government. Haitians are capable of doing things. If you're still continuing and involved in whatever is happening in Haiti, they're always gonna be having you always have you're never gonna stop. And that needs to stop. We have a lot of Haitians everywhere that are capable of doing the job, being a president, being a senator, being a whatever is supposed to be, like a place that is important, that they are capable of helping Haiti. If you are wanting to help Haiti, let Haitian ask you for help and not trying to put your own people in the government. You need to stop. And Haitians need to start talking to. People have to know the story. They make believe, oh, that Haitian is a third world country. Yes, because you drive Haitians to that. Haitian was driven to that. The Haitian is rich. Haiti is a rich country, but they're not letting people know. It is time for you all to leave Haitians with Haiti alone. If they need help, they will ask. But stop putting your own people to disturb the country. It's been so many years. People live, born and die, seeing you doing the same thing over and over. This got to stop. And don't be upset because somebody have to talk. You know what you've been doing to Haiti. Whatever that's belong to Haiti, please hand it to Haiti so they can move on and try to build the country. Friends, you know you have things for Haiti. Please hand it to Haiti so they can start moving forward. All of you are moving forward And because Haitians are an independent black country, you refuse to let it moving forward. And this is not fair. And that has to stop. So everyone, please, however they can hear your voice, please. Haitian said that's enough. Help us, because we had stand by you once and many times, whether or not you don't want to recognize it. Haitians deserve good as much as everyone else. Thank you for listening. Your voice will be appreciated. So long.